Hi, this is Dr. Renee Watts, and we had a patient in the office last week getting her teeth cleaned, and she asked if she should be rinsing her mouth with something. So, good question. It ties in with our conversations lately on home care products, and the answer as to whether people should use a mouth rinse or not is it just depends on their needs. So, for somebody who has a pretty healthy mouth, they may not get a whole lot of benefit necessarily from a mouth rinse. If people are brushing and using something to clean in between their teeth, there may not be a whole lot of need for a mouth rinse in particular. But if people are suffering from certain conditions like tooth decay, gum disease, or maybe they've got some medical conditions or are going through some chemotherapy, then mouth rinses may be recommended or prescribed by your dentist or hygienist to give you some additional benefit, since it's a pretty easy thing to add into somebody's routine throughout the day. So to categorize mouth rinses, first there are a cosmetic category of mouth rinses, and then there are therapeutic mouth rinses. So the cosmetic mouth rinses are going to be something that are really just designed to freshen breath. They've usually got some flavorings in them, might have some glycerin or some other things to make people's teeth feel kind of smooth and slick, and they're really just designed to freshen your breath. And so if that's you and you know you're pretty healthy and you just like to want to have the fresh feeling of something afterwards, then you can certainly use a mouth rinse just because it feels good. It can loosen some food debris between your teeth. We recommend choosing something alcohol-free because alcohol can be drying for your mouth. So I have an example here. This product is called Closis, and you can find it in some drugstores, probably find it online as well. It's alcohol-free, it contains chlorine dioxide, and so it can help just kill some of the compounds that live in people's mouths that cause mouth odor, and it's just sort of a nice thing to freshen your breath. Now, if somebody is experiencing, a mouth odor and they're needing to rinse several times a day and it's been a while since they've had a dental exam, then it would be a good idea probably to just have things checked out, because sometimes mouth odor can be a sign of a more serious problem. Now, if you are suffering from decay, gum disease, or having some other problems, then your dentist or hygienist may recommend a mouth rinse that's got some additional benefit besides just the cosmetic aspect. So I have a couple examples here. These mouth rinses contain some fluoride, and so for somebody who has had a history of cavities, or maybe they're currently in some orthodontic treatment, this can be a nice way to just give the teeth a little extra prevention against decay. They can kill the bacteria that are causing decay, as well as strengthen weakened areas of the teeth. This is another product here that is designed for people who suffer from a dry mouth, and this has xylitol in it as well. Xylitol is a sugar substitute that's been proven to help reduce decay. It also has some enzymes in it. And this is kind of a nice rinse for people if they have a chronic dry mouth due to medical conditions, medications they may take, or other conditions there. So other mouth rinses can be prescribed and are obtained at the pharmacy. So again, if you are somebody who thinks, gosh, I kind of like rinsing my mouth, could I be doing something beneficial besides just getting the breath freshening, then ask your dentist or hygienist for some recommendations. So if you'd like more information, feel free to click any of the links below. Thanks for watching.